Okay, I have a Milwaukee chainsaw and the chain fell off a few days ago while I was using it, and I thought I'd make a little video of how to put this on correctly. The first step is to take off these two nuts, and so the tool to do that is underneath the chainsaw. You simply take this out and start undoing these nuts. Okay, now I'm going to take this part off, lay it down, and remove the chain nicely and lay it out so it is not overlapping itself at all. You can see here that it's just perfectly a circle now. Okay, the next step is to loosen this part as much as you can. And what this is doing is, you can see this goes forward or backwards. This is what gives tension on the chain. So I'm going to move this all the way back like that. You can also kind of see that there's chain oil. I'm going to wipe this off with a paper towel and get this nice and clean before I reinstall it. You can see I wiped up the chain oil and this is back in position, and let's put the chain back on. Okay, inside of this piece, you can see here in the top there's little grooves that the chain slides onto. Okay, so get the chain going. You can see how it's aligned there nicely, and get this all wrapped around nicely. It's also important to have these arrows pointing forward on the chain direction. Okay, all in one motion, you need to get this chain around the loop, put it over these nuts, and then the peg goes through this hole here. That's the thing that turns from this tensioner right here. Now this is lined up, you can take this plate, place it over, which holds everything in place, and put the nuts back on. Okay, put the two nuts back on to hold everything in place before you tighten everything up. Okay, you can see these are hand tightened and the chain is loose. So now I can tighten the chain with this tool. Okay, as I tighten, the chain on the right is getting tighter. As you can see it go up. You want this tight, but not too tight, and then tighten these two nuts. Now the chain is replaced.